Hey everyone, Michael here. Welcome to my YouTube channel. And in this video, I want to talk about some Black Friday banners and resources that we have put together for you so you can use it for your store as well. As you know, Black Friday is coming up and my whole team and I been brainstorming, working on different strategies to tackle Black Friday. And if you have not seen my video on Q4 workshop, how to dominate e-commerce in Q4, definitely head over and watch that right now. So for the banners that we have created for you that you can use for Black Friday in your Shopify store, there's a link in the description. All you have to do, go ahead and download that link, and then it's a PSD file. So once you download it, you can go ahead and go to a software called photopea.com. So photopea.com, and it's kind of like a Photoshop software, a very basic version, but you just have to drag in the PSD file into this canvas area, and then you'll load up all the different banners that we have created for you. And each banner, you can go ahead and adjust the promo that you want to provide for your customer. So it's very easy to use. So let's dive into this together. So on the right side, we have different folders that you can play around with. The banner one, if you enable this, you'll see this style of image that we provided for you. So you can go ahead and edit any of these text fields in these layers. And we do have some static text on this image. So if you do want to edit these texts over here, like Black Friday or Super Sale, you can go ahead and make some adjustments if you want, like cut this area and then just fill it up with black. And then you can go ahead and use a text tool over here and then enter your text. So if you want to adjust your text, you can go ahead and do that. But we want to make it easy for you to just edit the promo, so you don't have to do that if you don't want to. And then we have different banners here that you can use as well. So banner 1 looks like this. We have banner 2 over here. And then if you expand it, you see the text field for the date and then the description here, or you can set your promo here as well. And as we go down, we have banner 3 that looks like this. And for the text field, it will be only 12 hours left, so you can go ahead and adjust that. And for banner 4, it looks like this over here. Very clean and looks professional. You can go ahead and upload that. Now, the size dimension works for our theme, and it should work for yours as well. So you can go ahead and try it to see how it looks on your store. And the discount over here, you can go ahead and change that to whatever you want for your store or promo for your Black Friday promotions. So that will be banner 4. We have banner 5, and that looks like this. You can go ahead and change your discount. And we also have banner 6 over here. Okay, so it looks like that. Now, it is an individual folder, so once you are happy with the slider that you want to use, you can go ahead and go to File, Export As, and then PNG, and then upload it into your store. Now, if you want to compress the file to make it load faster, you can, but the file itself is pretty small, so you can go ahead and just export and upload it into your Shopify store, see how that looks. So I hope you enjoy these banners. Go ahead and use it. Crush it for Black Friday. If you have any questions, leave me a comment in the comment section and I'll reply to them. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and like this video, and look out for more videos coming your way. Take care. Talk to you soon. Bye everyone.